What are you doing, Pip Pip? Maggie, when's your tail gonna grow out? Go on, Pip. Go on, Pip Pip. Come on. The world's best peahen. Hi, Pippers. How you doing, sweet? You're such a good girl. You're going to be a mama this year, aren't you? You're going to go off and find yourself a nesting spot and give us lots of little Pip Pip babies. I love my Pip Pip. Can you see yourself there? Pip Pip. Pip Pip. How you doing up here? Oops. Oops. That was Ella the tortoise. Hello. Hello, Jonah. Hello, Jonah. I know, honey. I know. I don't think that you're going to live a very long life. And I'm so sorry there's nothing I can do about it. But you are a much-loved little chicken. And you're getting the deluxe treatment. And Maggie the devil bird. She keeps trashing her tail. She's supposed to have a 2-foot long tail. I suppose that's going to come. What is it, Pip Pip? Who is that? Who is that? Who is it? What do you see down there? There's not anything there. You just want me to pet you, huh? Hmm? Hmm? I love you, Pippers. I love you. I just love you. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Hmm? Are you a good girl? You know, woo, off you go. Maggie, our little devil bird.